Today we're going to talk about the cause and the effect of earthquakes, and our focus question is how have earthquakes shaped the Earth's surface? So let's start with talking about what faults are. These are large cracks in the Earth's crust, and when there's rocks on either side that are under pressure, they get locked together. And when a lot of pressure builds up, they tend to slip and slide past each other to release that pressure. And this is what results in what we call an earthquake. There's a few different types of stress. The first one is tension, and this is where it stretches the rock and they become really thin in the middle. So you see in the middle, there's this tensional stress. And then there's compression. It pushes rock together and squeezes that middle rock until it folds or breaks on itself. And the last one is called shearing. And this is when masses of rock slip and they move past in opposite directions. Earthquakes occur at transform boundaries where two plates are sliding past each other. The focus is the place where the pressure was released from. So this is the place within the Earth where the pressure was released from. From that, seismic waves spread out from the focus in all different directions like ripples in a pond. There are three different types of waves. There are primary, which stretch and compress land, secondary, which move land side to side, and the land waves, which move up and down. And these are primary and secondary waves that are combined together to create the land waves. So what are seismographs? This is a tool that we use to detect the strength and the magnitude of the waves moving through from the earthquake from the focus point. And in order to do this, we use something called a Richter scale. And it's used to measure the magnitude of an earthquake. So when we're looking at a Richter scale, it ranges from 0 to 8 and up. And from 0 to 2, it's not actually felt by people. From 2 to 3, it's only felt a little bit. And 3 to 4, the ceiling lights start to swing. 4 to 5, the walls can crack. 5 to 6, the furniture starts moving. A 6 to a 7 magnitude can collapse some buildings. A 7 to an 8 has many buildings actually being destroyed, and an 8 and up has total destruction of buildings, bridges, and roads. Earthquakes can also cause tsunamis when they occur underneath the earth. So underneath the ocean. When an earthquake happens underneath the ocean and the pressure is released, this can cause a tsunami wave that can cause damage to any land within its path. And when a seismograph takes readings, it looks something like this. And you'll notice what you'll see are these wave peaks. If you were to draw a line to follow this, you would see waves. And this also kind of looks like a heartbeat machine as well, if you were to look at something like that. Move on to your worksheet for today, and then there's extra videos for you to watch to help you understand earthquakes and the lithospheric plates.